So freestyle while our shrimp is simmering down nice and lovely, guys. I just came across a tin of classic Grace butter bean in my cupboard. Now, if you know, you know, but when it come on to Jamaican, we have a thing what we call use your hand and make fashion. Now, I'm going to add a tin of bean to it, guys. Now, freestyle, you ready?
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Rain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. Freestyle today, we're back in the kitchen, the next cooking video. But before we go any further, guys, I'm asking all my new viewers, if you haven't been subscribers yet, guys, just hit the subscription button and join the freestyle movement. Over here it's all about some good recipes, some good food. May I say? Now in the meantime now, guys, it's all about some coconut curry shrimp the orange freestyle way. So I'm just gonna go ahead, guys, and just chef up a stamp the real authentic Jamaican way, the orange freestyle way. Just come along with me, we'll just cook up a stamp, you know the vibe. Yes, my freestyle nation, so as I said before, freestyle, it's all about some coconut curry shrimp. We're talking about coconut curry shrimp. We're talking about curry shrimp put down in coconut milk. You know what I mean? So right here are my recipe, guys. Right here I have some shrimp. I have some large shrimp. And as for my recipe, guys, it's all about some sweet pepper, garlic, scallion, thyme, onion, scotch bonnet, pepper. You know what I mean? I have a one Irish, I have a one carrot, and the whole works. The spices I'll be using, guys, of course, you know, from you go curry shrimp, you're gonna need your curry. I have some season to the bone season. I have some all-purpose season. I have some pimento berries, some Old Bay. Of course, we're doing coconut curry shrimp, so we're gonna need a one coconut milk. So right there we have a tin of coconut milk freestyle. We have some all-purpose season. We have some Maggi fish season, and the whole works. So it's now time for us to go ahead, guys, and just season up our shrimp and get the ball a roll the orange freestyle way. You know the vibes. Freestyle nation. Hey, freestyle. So freestyle, upon checking, guys, I realized that the shrimp that I took out was not enough because I just can't cook a small amount of food. If I'm cooking, I have to cook that if I have a visitor the food can share, or if I feel like I want to leave some food for later on or the following day, food must be enough to leave, you know what I mean? So I went back in the fridge, guys, and I found some more shrimp and I added to my bowl. Now I will go ahead, guys, and start the seasoning process. First and foremost, guys, right here I have some Old Bay season. I'll go ahead and sprinkle my Old Bay season on my shrimp. Right here I have some season to the bone season. Season to the bone is a mixture of spices. Add my season to the bone. After adding my season to the bone now freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And you know, guys, I can't go wrong with the Maggi, trust me. Can't go wrong with the Maggi. Maggi gives you a different flavor, a different kind of vibe. Right here I have some old spice pimento berries. I'm going to go ahead and add a few grains of pimento berries. Then after adding my berries, guys, I'm going to go ahead and massage the season in. Make sure you shoot them well seasoned. Now freestyle, as for the curry, I don't want to mess my hand up, so I'm going to add the curry. You know I like when my curry nice and rich. After adding the curry freestyle, I'm going to get a spoon and I'm going to mix everything together. Get my shrimp curry up nice and proper. So this is it. So freestyle, my shrimp is now completely seasoned. And guys, as for the seasoning of the shrimp, guys, there are two ways that I do my shrimp, right? If you want, you could do it with all of the seasoning at once on it. I mean, like with the spices, along with the natural season and just put everything in the pot at once. But in this case, guys, I'm going to saute my natural season first, so we could get all of the flavor from our season. You know what I mean? And then after we saute our natural season, we'll go ahead and add our shrimp to the pot. So it's a stage by stage process. And as I said before, if you want, you don't have to do it in this format. But if you want, you could put everything in the pot at once, where you put your onion and your scallion and your sweet pepper, your this and your that, everything on the shrimp at once, and you just put everything in the pot one time. But in this case, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to saute first, then we're going to add our shrimp. Stay tuned, freestyle, you know the vibe. So freestyle, is now time for us to add our oil. Right here I have the pot on the stove already hot, guys. I'll go ahead and add a small amount of coconut oil. And guys, as you know, guys, we're cooking shrimp, so you don't want to add too much oil because shrimp already has a lot of calories in it. So you don't want to add too much oil to your pot, alright? Yeah, just enough oil to saute your natural season, stuff like that. So there you have it. Now freestyle, my next step is my oil is now hot. I will go ahead and put a small amount of curry in the oil. As at all time when cooking curry, guys, you want to burn some of your curry. Do like so. Then at this point, guys, my oil is now hot and my curry is now burned. As you don't want to burn your curry too much until it's black, so it's good like that. Now freestyle. I will now go ahead and put my natural season in the pot, because you want to saute the season before you put the shrimp in the pot. So as I said before, guys, sweet pepper, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, pepper, Irish carrot, and that's about it. So right here now, freestyle, I'm getting my natural season sauteing in my coconut oil. And of course, guys, you should know that smell that you get from coconut oil is just a complete different vibe. So you want to turn your stove down, guys, as you don't want your natural season to burn. We just want to saute them to a certain point where we get the flavor. So freestyle, after sauteing our natural season, guys, the next thing we want to do, we want to go ahead and pour some coconut milk on the natural season. So guys, I'm going to give my natural season to put down in the coconut milk probably like a next minute or two. Then it's gonna be time for us to add our shrimp. Stay tuned. So freestyle, so by now you could smell the combination of aromas, guys, the natural season combined with the coconut milk, guys, and I must tell you guys, it's just a vibes going on right here. Now freestyle, it's now time for us to go ahead and add our shrimp. And right here I have my shrimp seasoned, as you can see before, guys. I'll go ahead now and add my shrimp. Shrimp already cooked, so bear that in mind. So after putting the shrimp in the pot, guys, you want to stir your pot. You know what I mean? Get them all over in the coconut milk. Get some of your season on top. And as you can see, guys, coming along nice and lovely, nice and colorful. And I'm now gonna cover my pot freestyle, and I'm now gonna allow my shrimp to just sit there and slow cook the Orion freestyle way. You know the vibes. So freestyle while our shrimp is simmering down nice and lovely, guys. I just came across a tin of classic Grace butter bean in my cupboard. Now, if you know, you know, but when it come on to Jamaican, we have a thing what we call use your hand and make fashion. Now, I'm going to add a tin of bean to it, guys. Beans are very good for you. Add a tin of bean, and after adding my beans, guys, I'm just going to stir everything together. Yes, so by then my shrimp should be completely cooked and all my seasoning should be completely cooked. Now, guys, I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow my beans to sit there in the shrimp and cook for probably like the next 3 to 4 minutes. Then our curry shrimp should be completed. Look at that freestyle. We're talking about curry shrimp in coconut milk with butter bean. And guys, to go with that, over here we're gonna have some white rice simmering down nice and lovely, as you can see for yourself. And when you come on to freestyle, it's all about the taste, it's all about the flavor. So just sit back, relax, guys, and remember, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed yet, just do me a favor and hit the subscription button. You know what I mean? It's free. It's a new channel and we're growing. We need all the support we can get. So just do the do and subscribe. You know the vibes. Now freestyle, you ready? Now freestyle. Look at that. Our curry shrimp and bean in coconut milk is now completed. And I must tell you, guys, the aroma, it's a combination of spices combined with coconut milk, your shrimp, natural seasoning, your onion, your scallion, your thyme, your scotch bonnet pepper, and everything cooked down together, guys. And it just gives you that nice flavor, that nice aroma. And I must tell you, freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. Curry shrimp in coconut milk or rain freestyle way. And as I showed you before, guys, the white rice over here is going steam down. So you know it's a complete vibe. So I'm about to turn the stove off, guys, and I'm about to dish out this delicious meal. So you already know freestyle. Just stay tuned. Soon come back. You know the vibes. Curry shrimp in coconut milk or in freestyle way. Kaboom! Freestyle dinner is now served. Curry shrimp in coconut milk, the Orion freestyle way, served with white rice, and guys, I must tell you, it survives. I'm about to dig in and enjoy this wonderful meal freestyle. So until next time, freestyle, you know the vibe. So freestyle dinner is now served, guys, and I must tell you, my curry coconut shrimp is a whole vibe. Served with some white rice. Freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. Look at this. Nice and lovely, nice and delicious, guys, and it's just a vibe. Until next time, Freestyle Nation. Catch you in the next one. You know what, guys? Freestyle. Like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.